Husa.
You would be sure no raven. But a ghastly, grim and ancient Parrot wandering from the nightly shore. Tell me what your lordly name is.
Quoth the Parrot.
Nevermore!
And the Parrot, sitting only in the darkened place, spoke on the Dept one word, as if his soul in that one word in E.A.Poe. Startled at the stillness broken by reply so unmistakable.
Doubtless,
Said he.
what it utters is its only stock and store. Thus I said, engaged in guessing. More and more I set divine with my head at ease reclining. With my head at ease reclining. On the cushions, velvet lining that the moonlight gloated over. But whose velvet lining with the moonlight gloated over. She shall bless nevermore. Then it seemed the air grew denser, where from an unseen censer swung by seraphim whose footfalls tinkled, tinkled, tinkled on the tufted floor. Swung by seraphim whose footfalls tinkled on the tufted floor. Wretch, he cried, your God has lent you, by these angels he has sent you, respite, respite, and oblivion to forget my lost Lenore. Oh grant
Nevermore.
Prophet, or you think of evil? Prophet still, if bird or devil, when the tempter set or when the tempest toss you here ashore. Tell me truly, I implore.
Nevermore.
Prophet, or you think I'm evil? Prophet still, if bird or devil, with a tempest, toss you here ashore. The angels sing the Lord.
Nevermore.
Get your back! Get your back into the tempest. Leave my loneliness unbroken. Take your beat from out my heart. Take a boy beat from out my heart and take your form from off my door.
Nevermore.
And the parrot, never flitting, still is sitting, still is sitting in the valley place in darkness, in the shade above the chamber door.
And his eyes have more